mind the factory windshield is also 2.5 inches higher, 1 inch wider on each end. The windshield is up 2.5 inches higher because of the bracket adjustment. So I have a windshield, the factory windshield goes to here, about 5 inches lower. So with that said, now we've got all of this extra windshield up here. At super high speeds it might be a little bit too high, but I gotta tell you, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to raise the windshield down to where it would be if the factory adjustment was still where it was. Alright. This is where the windshield would be without it adjusted on the higher brackets in here. And this windshield now is 2.5 inches higher than the factory windshield. The factory windshield would be right here, all the way up. So, on the freeway, there's definitely a difference with the wind deflection. With my wife in the back seat, let me put the cruise control on. Alright. So with my wife in the back seat, these do provide a slight difference of deflecting the air around. Here too. And you can kind of see where it comes out on both sides right here. I find that on the freeway, I do not need to raise the windshield all the way up. The most I need to do is right about here. So the brackets are here, the windshield's there. That's usually more than enough. Well, anyway, I hope that was enough information for you.